What's up YouTube, Andre here guys, back with another video. Now I've been using the Sony XZ2 for a couple of days now and I wanted to share with you guys 5 things I absolutely love about the phone. So let's get straight into it. Now the first thing I absolutely love about this phone is probably not a very obvious one because there's a lot of controversy about it, and that is the new design of the phone. I really love the build quality and the materials used, all glass on the front and the back with a beautiful metal frame in between. It just feels amazing in the palm of your hand, especially with that new curved back. Now also because of that glass back, the phone now supports wireless charging. In addition, the smaller bezels on top and the bottom of the phone are very much welcomed and finally gives the competition a run for its money. Now the second thing that I absolutely love with the XZ2 are those front facing speakers. Firstly, they look crazy good, especially that bottom speaker that sits in between the glass and the metal frame. I think it just looks really good. Secondly is the actual sound quality of the speakers. Having front-facing speakers just gives you a more immersive experience, whether you're playing a game, watching a video, or just listening to music. Now the third thing about the speakers is the dynamic vibration system. As much as it may be a gimmick, it works really well when you're playing an action game or watching a video and are holding the phone in your hand. But the only thing is I find that it's a little bit too much power when it's set to powerful. Personally, I prefer it set to mild. Now the third thing I absolutely love about the XZ2 is its display. Now I'm a huge fan of AMOLED displays, and although the Sony XZ2 doesn't actually have one, it's still a very beautiful display. The thing that makes me love this display is the fact that it supports HDR. This stands for High Dynamic Range, providing you with amazing contrast, colors and clarity. What's even more impressive is that when you're watching standard movies and videos, the XZ2 will upgrade everything to HDR-like quality. The whole display just looks really beautiful. Now moving on to number 4, that is the XZ2's processing power. The Snapdragon 845 is extremely quick and very responsive, but the best part is that Sony tends to keep their version of Android pretty clean. So the phone is not weighted down with useless and unneeded rubbish, which will only slow the phone down. Now this is something that Samsung like to do quite often, and this is not a stab at Samsung, but because Samsung phones come with a lot of bloatware and third-party skins, sometimes they can feel slow or sluggish. For that reason guys, I really love the XZ2. It's very fast and very responsive. And finally, number 5 is the super slow motion in full HD. I really like this feature, and filming in 960 frames per second lets you see the world like never before. But with the XZ2 you can now do this in full HD. For instance, last year the XZ Premium was only capable of 960 frames per second in 720p, and even the Samsung S9 this year is only capable of 720p. So I'm very excited about having the ability to record 1080p full HD in 960 frames per second. Amazing guys, so there you have it. These are my 5 top things that I love about the Sony XZ2. I would really love to know what you guys think. Leave everything in the comments down below. And remember guys, if you like this video, hit that like button. If you really like this video, smash that subscribe button. I appreciate all your support. Thank you for watching and have a good day.